Guys, today I'm going to show you the best skincare drugstore products that are available in the market. Like, as we all know that oily to combination skin types are the most stressful skin types one could have. Trust me when I say this. Cystic acne, oil all over the face, feels greasy. In short, no sebum control. Also nowadays, because of the pollution and lifestyle that we people are living in, these things are pretty common. To reduce the effect on these on our skin and health, one needs to change the lifestyle in terms of diet as well as exercise. With that comes shortlisting the right skincare products as well. Women are also getting to PCOD or PCOS nowadays, which again is a lifestyle concern. One needs to have a self control in eating habits and just a few changes, and believe me, you are good to go. Below a few reasonable drugstore skincare products that you can definitely give it a try. I can't stop recommending them enough to my friends who have oily or combination skin types, and ultimately they all fell in love with them too. Before that, there are few steps that we all should include on a daily basis in our skincare regime. First is cleansing, then comes toning, followed by moisturizing, and then the last step is the SPF. First product that we have is the Plum Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner. Highly recommended product. If you're a fan of a little fragrance with a great product, this is your product. It keeps your skin calm with green tea extracts and glycolic acid and keeps your skin moisturized as well. It controls the oil production on your skin. Awake Toner is the next product we have in the line. A refreshing non-sticky whitening toner that gently sweeps away the last trace of impurities from your skin and pores while providing a pleasant and cool sensation. It has vitamin C and B3 to reduce the melanin production and to promote a clear complexion. Is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. It has a unique lightweight water gel type texture and consistency. It gets deep into your skin and keeps it hydrated for a longer time. It basically quenches the thirst of your skin with water. Highly recommended. Toner is the next we have. This is one of my favorite brands. It's one of the brands which has made its play in such a short span of time. This toner cleanses pores, balances pH level, and hydrates the skin at the same time. It's alcohol free formula and paraben free formula is gentle and made for all skin. Next we have is a Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. This moisturizer has such an amazing fragrance and is so good for daytime use. The peach milk extracts and vitamin C and SPF protect skin from sun damage. Skin feels fresh and soft at all. Next we have is a sunscreen, which is a Lakme sunscreen with a SPF of 50 plus plus plus. This sunscreen comes in gel as well as a non-gel means matte base formula. You can pick any as per your likes and dislikes. This formula is non-sticky, non-greasy, and lightweight. It protects you from the harmful sun. The Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50 again. This is one of the best sunscreens available in the market right now. Trust me when I say this, its ultra light formula makes your skin feels fresh, non-greasy, and non-sticky all day. Also, it doesn't clog your pores, which is wonderful. Like highly recommend. We have the Plum Green Tea Moisturizer. Silicon-free matte finish moisturizer with a hand-picked non-comedogenic ingredients. Its pleasant afterfeel, non-shiny finish, and acne combat. Multi-dimensional care that includes controlled hydration, non-shiny matte finish, acne pimples combat, and a fresh clear appearance. Next we have in the line is the VLCC Chamomile and Tea Tree Neem Face Wash. It deeply cleanses the skin and effectively this hydrating face wash controls sebum secretion without excessively drying the skin. It contains pure neem extracts which effectively treats acne pimples and prevents their recurrence. Magic Neem and Tea Tree Face Wash, Acne Control and Oil Balancing. The neem extract moisturizes the skin, keeping it soft and supple, and rose extract reducing the appearance of scars, burns, and other skin blemishes to prevent the skin from blackheads and soothes skin irritations with blend of tea tree and lavender essential oils. It's 100% free of parabens, soap, alcohol, or any kind of artificial coloring and fragrance. Love this product.